Welcome to our Shia Online Quran Academy. We provide Islamic education to those who wants to learn and understand Quran. When you talk about Islamic tuition, the first thing you think is, oh, another scam or no quality education. But what makes Shia Online Quran Academy valuable? Yes, our tutors who are best and trustable, a dedicated tutor for every student, highly qualified, staff with full knowledge of what he is teaching. Female tutors are available for female students. Our tutors are teaching in Pakistan, Sweden, New Zealand, Canada, USA, UAE and all over the world. We are offering our courses. Reading Quran. Quran with Tajweed. Quran memorization. Quran translation and interpretation. Najl Balagha. Ethics, beliefs, laws of Islam, history of Islam, namaz, and du'as. We are offering also special spoken language courses for Urdu speakings. Courses for spoken languages are spoken Persian language course, spoken Arabic language course, also providing spoken English tutors. You can schedule your classes according to your preferences, select your time and date. Students' monthly report will be sent to the parents to check the progress and improvements. Our more services for our respective area, 24/7 support on phone chat or email power backup and high-speed internet for smooth and uninterrupted classes. We are also giving classes on Skype, Zoom, and Google Meet. Be protected and always watch over your kids. No age limit for class. We provide 3 days free trial classes, so what are you waiting? Contact us right now. Let's join Shia Online Quran Academy.